Hi, you are welcome again to Advance Me, where you transform today, advance tomorrow. Still on the series, the Excel Dictionary. In today's episode, we'll be talking about how to use the if function. Please like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos of it. The if function is a logical function that performs a logical test and returns a specified value if the test evaluates to true or another false. I have some example here. Let's say, for instance, you want to add remarks to the test score for some students in a particular class, and the cutoff is 75. Let's say, for instance, equals to if, then you double click and pick the scores for that particular student, then greater than 75. That's the cutoff. Then the next thing you have the statement, good, comma, and the next one is bad. So that means the ones, the double, then bad, then. So Colin scored 92, which means that Colin scored above the cutoff, which is good. And let's see other scores that I have here. So we have good, that means this is also above the next one. The 85 is also above 75. We have 54. This is bad because this person scored below the cutoff 70. I have another example here. You have a store that sells fruit and you want to check if some of the goods has been delivered to the client. So you can as well use the if function, equals to if this and equals to bracket delivered, then put this comma, then you have the second statement. No, then comma, you add this last statement, yes, and close bracket. So drag down. So you want to know, this is to know if this good has been delivered or is there any action required. So action required for this one, bananas in transit, yes, that means this has to be delivered. Okay, this one delivered, that means this has been delivered. There's no action required for this. So that is that for that. Let's see the last one. Let's see for the last one. So this one, you have clients that purchase a product in your company, and you want to check their eligibility of the kind of product they purchase according to the bill that was paid. So equals to if this greater than 25,000, and that is platinum, okay, comma, repeat this again, if, pick it again, this is greater than 15,000, comma, and that is good. Then comma, if this is greater than 4,005, comma, and that is silver. Then put 1, 2, 3. So drag that. and this will help you determine the category of the kind of product the particular client has bought according to the bills. So the if function is a very extensive function in the Excel. Subsequently, I'll be doing more videos on it. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos of this. See you in the next video.